Though I do not have to state my name for the record, I will, because I want to identify myself with my remarks. I'm Deborah Gardner. First, I realize that nothing I or any of these people here tonight say will influence how you will vote on this amendment. I am sure you've already decided. Having said that, I will take this opportunity to share some of my findings as well as my opinion, which I don't think will be popular. A cursory search on the internet came up with 9 references to sex offenders living in Cicero. I do not have the resources that the chief has. Of those 9, I was able to find 8 on the Division of Criminal Justice Service website. Of those 8, 4 of those individuals victimized people they knew. The stated relationship between the other 4 and their victims was not listed. This is a feel-good law designed to protect no one. According to the United States Department of Justice, 90% of adult victims know their attackers, as do 60% of boys and 80% of girls. They are victimized by a family member, a babysitter, or a friend in many cases. This law does not protect individuals from being abused by non-strangers. Further, this law also may be interpreted in such a way as to impact those people convicted of sexual assault against adults. This law punishes these people for what they might do, as well as punishing them a second time for what they did. There are a lot of bad people in this world, and some of them do reside in Cicero. Many of them have a detrimental effect on our children and our families. Shall we create a similar law for people who have been convicted of dealing drugs? Should we not want to keep those people from our playgrounds and schools? Shall we pass a law limiting them to where they may reside? Many of you on the dais and in this audience will state that any law that protects even one child is a good law. In response to that argument, perhaps Cicero should put up a fence around every ditch in the town to prevent a child from drowning. Or maybe a law should be passed making parents guilty of endangering the welfare of a child when they allow the child to play in the streets. It is important that our system of laws protect the rights of all citizens, even the most despised among us. For if we cannot protect the rights of those people, how do we help ensure the rights of all citizens? We should not, we cannot trample on the rights of any person, no matter how much we condemn their actions. I conclude my statement by urging you to vote no to amending this law and instead vote to repeal it. Thank you.